So the people are still in there so long and can't come out.
Ambulance coming in.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Hey, what going on, people? Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and every one. Anyways, my people, if you're inside of a motor vehicle that is not being operated properly by someone, ask that person who's operating the motor vehicle to stop the motor vehicle and try and get out of that motor vehicle as safe as possible, as soon as possible. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened on a day when a motor vehicle was being operated by someone. And in my point of view, the motor vehicle was not properly on the road, at least at the time when the video was being recorded. The video shows a certain amount of persons who got out of the motor vehicle. However, I noticed that something bad almost happened to someone. Let's take a look at the video carefully and try and get a good understanding about this type of situation. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people. Observe. See the motor vehicle.
So the people are still in there so long and can't come out.
Hold on.
I mean, come over tight and it's done like the same way as
This is what I go on some people. Hold on. Hold on. Watch it. Alright, hold on, my people. Now, I was wondering who was operating that motor vehicle on that day, or so on. So let me zoom in and show you something, my people. Then me zoom in. Look at this part of the video right here, so. Me notice a certain person who went in a certain part of the motor vehicle, but where was that person coming from? So, me zoom in at that part there and look there. Now, me now jump to no conclusion. That's why I point out that. Come I wonder who was operating that motor vehicle, and if so be the case as to what I might be thinking, then how is it that the motor vehicle moved back in such a way while at least one person was at a certain part of the rear of the motor vehicle? I wonder what the person might have done. I wonder what the person was thinking. Oh, and I wanted to also take notice of something that's at the top of the motor vehicle and take notice of at least one of the plate area of the motor vehicle as well. So, tell me what color you see, if you can see. I watched a video that is believed to be and also said to be a news report, and I also read articles about a situation where it is said that a man chopped his own brother. According to words that I read in those articles that I read, and based on some words that have been said in the video that is believed to be a news report that I watched, the dispute between those two persons left one person with a severed arm, or the situation resulted in one person being left with an arm chopped off. I also got the understanding that there's at least one picture and at least one video posted on social media claiming to be about the situation.
Ambulance coming in. Tell Naim when you see the ambulance stop.
I did not get any confirmed information to determine exactly where the incident might have happened, viewers, subscribers. However, the video that is believed to be a news report and articles that I read are believed to be and also said to be from within the country that is known as St. Lucia. I didn't get specific details as to how certain things might have happened, during subscribers, because one article that I read didn't give any confirmed information as to what exactly might have caused such a situation. But according to the video that I watched, that is believed to be a news report and are said to be a news report, allegedly the dispute between those two persons might have been over a phone. I didn't get specific details as to what exactly might have been used to cause injury to the other person. But according to articles that I read and the video that I watched, it is believed that one person chopped the other person with an object, which resulted in one person being left with a severed arm. Now, if the information that I got, or if those words are accurate about the situation, then I consider that to be family dispute, which also makes me wonder how those persons might have been towards each other before what I'm hearing about, or before the words and information that I got. It's sad, though, people, really sad. So I saw a video posted on social media that shows law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. The video also shows residents, and you can hear persons talking loud in the video. It's not every post you see on social media you should just quick to believe. Sometimes it is best for you to think for yourself or try and get confirmed information about a video and our situation that I might see in the video. So, in my point of view, viewers, subscribers, the video I posted on social media with some words that don't seem to add up to some words that I said in the video. Because in the video, me hear when one person said these words. Listen. And the video shows a person whose two hands was behind the person's back. So based on our situation, look, it seems as if someone had been held or detained by police, viewing subscribers, and there were persons who were saying certain words that sounds like words of anger. Now, when I look at the video, I saw one person holding an object that looks like a machete, and I also noticed that I see at least one other person in the video holding an object as well. You see, guys, viewing subscribers, in my point of view, the video looks familiar, but I'm not so sure. Is what I'm saying to you. However, I'm going to present the video to you, and then I'm going to read words from some comments that I've made on social media where the video has been posted. And please bear in mind, viewing subscribers, that I can hear persons talking loud in the video, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. People, how many persons do you see in the video holding at least one object? Eh? Oh, and before I read words from any of these comments, I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if any words in any of these comments are accurate and are even true about the video or the situation that you can see and hear in the video. No, I'm not able to. So, words in one comment are what him do. Words in another comment are a DI youth from Spain this. Let me see a question sign. Okay. Words in another comment are a what him do. Let's move on to more comments. Words in another comment are love kill too much. I do not like violence. I don't believe in violence. Make sure I say that. Words in another comment are, but it's his life. Plenty men walk with women end their gaze. Let me move on to another comment. Again, I'm not able to confirm if any words in any of these comments are accurate or even true about the video and or the situation that I can see in the video. Words in another comment are yes man, and I see words in another comment that are long time video. That comment have me thinking. People, on every post you see on social media, you should be quick to accept and believe. Sometimes some posts had been made on social media with misleading information and basically with certain things that might not be true. You see, for people, so just be careful. Oh, and I also saw an edited video that shows some things that happened when a person was being held or detained by police within the country of Jamaica. I didn't get specific details as to what might have caused that type of situation to your subscribers, but I got the understanding from what I call an edited video that police somewhat use force in order to hold the person, and the person had been placed inside of a police service motor vehicle during subscribers. So let me present the video to you, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Yeah, my people, so let me make it very clear. I did not get any confirmed information as to why police placed the person inside of a police service motor vehicle. So now I jump to the conclusion, well, me get the understanding that the video that I call an edited video are what I think are pieces of videos that have been put together and posted on social media, had been posted on social media. Situation look away still. So here's where I'm going to leave it, and big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.